dating apps. This is what dating is like in Colombia.
So, another adventure. Me and my Club Colombia. Guess who's here? Guess who came to visit? Let's go see who's outside. Sí. ¿Quién está aquí? Nobody. So it's May, and look who's here. Look who's here. Look at this guy with his Hawaiian shirt, and we are at Super Bowling. That's me in the morning without any coffee. Please click right here on the subscribe button, and to the left is a bell. Click on the bell, it will notify you the next time I've uploaded a video. Thank you so much for watching. Aloha. I want my strike back. I want my strike back. I played his ball. Now he's gonna play mine. Oh God! You need to drink more. You need to drink more. Now I play my ball. I played Fernando's ball. I ran a strike and I only got 3. No salió. You're gonna do another strike? A strike. ¿Qué pasó? Hola, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
Ay, Fernando, qué loco eres. Después que la loca soy
Pero apúntalo. Yes! That's crazy. You broke her nail. Almost landed on my toe. Wow! Wow, that was good. Yeah, you got a spare. You got a spare. Here's a mug, Tony Silva, Hawaii. Another beautiful day. It's about 1 p.m. in the city of eternal spring, Medellin, Colombia, where all the flowers are happy and the trees are green. And Chris at the hotel mentioned a Peruvian restaurant across from the Euro Market that has a daily menu for 20,000 pesos. So that's about $4.50, under $5. So I'm going to see. He didn't remember the name. I'm gonna see if I can Google and find it. And because I get pretty tired of eating a refino every day when I'm here for lunch. They also have a 20,000 peso daily menu, lunch menu. Temperature's just amazing here. It's probably 78 degrees, maybe 80. Just gorgeous weather. We have Antonio's Gelato and Cafe here and sportswear. Enjoy sportswear and Antonio's Gelato. We have photocopies. So yesterday it rained most of the afternoon and evening, so I'm hoping that another coffee shop here. I'm hoping we don't get the rain today. Oh, Pergamino, one of my favorite coffee shops. It's got a really cool center courtyard. Check out this cactus. It's pretty wild that they actually have cactus here, associate cactus with desert. And it's a very green, very lush, very very wet city, you know. Actually so wet that they've had so much rain the last week or two that the river Medellin has overflowed. So super happy today because my friend Fernando from Hawaii arrives, and I'm gonna be here a week in Medellin. So I found a Peruvian kitchen, and it's called Kusi. There's a llama over there. I don't think you see it. It comes with the 20,000. Comes with a chicken soup, and then I got the beef and French fries dish. It is delicious. What I like to do when I eat, because I work most of the days, I go through my dating app. This is what dating is like in Colombia. Fantastic. It's unbelievable. unbelievable, the women here. Beautiful. Gorgeous black women here. It's a match. That's a match. Beautiful, natural girl. Must love pets. Yeah, they're gorgeous, aren't they? Anyway, I gotta eat my food, so put this down. Just matched with her. Just amazing. Look at this. Look what you get for under $5. Look at this. That beef looks so much better and tender than, well, actually, take that back. It might be a little bit hard. Yeah, a little bit chewy, but something different. It's a stir fry. And a soy sauce, I think. No, kind of nice to mix it up. I'm gonna go into Rufino for lunch for so long. So 20,000 menu peruano. All right, so I don't usually walk down here. This avenue is called Nutibara. I don't usually walk down here because it's so loud. It's so much traffic. And even though it is Laurel is like a very safe neighborhood, there's some questionable people walking around here. So you always have to think about safety here. You never know. You never know when two guys on a moped are going to pull up and rob. Yeah, that was pretty good. That was a change of pace from Rufino because the beef was a little bit hard, but and it's $5, you know, they're not going to give you filet. Okay, so this is my second day here and a little bit out of breath. I am walking up an incline, not that big though, but Medellin is at 5,000 feet, about 4,900 feet. So they're just short of a mile, and getting acclimated. It's my second day here, getting acclimated to the elevation, walking around. You know, I'm mostly based in places near the ocean and flatlander territory. Hey, it's Tony. Thank you for watching my videos. If you could please subscribe, hit the button down below, and also the thumbs up. And that's the like, by the way. And then if you could write me a comment, that would be great. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, where in the world you'd like me to go and film. And also, if you could click on the bell notifies you, gives you notification next time I have uploaded a video and something for you new to see. Thank you so much for watching. Aloha.